Alright, so there's been a ton of chatter about Apple possibly redesigning the camera setup on the iPhone 17. And while we don't have all the answers just yet, we've got some juicy new leaks to help fill in the blanks, especially for the iPhone 17 Pro models. This info comes from the reliable Weibo leaker digital chat station, and it gives us a pretty solid idea of what the iPhone 17 Pro's cameras might be capable of. Here's the scoop. For the main camera, looks like the 48-megapixel 1.3 sensor is sticking around. It's not getting any bigger, so this will be the same as the iPhone 16 Pro. For the ultra-wide camera, also staying at 48 megapixel, which is the same upgrade we saw last year on the iPhone 16 Pro. For the periscope or telephoto lens, here's where things get interesting. This is getting a big upgrade from 12 megapixel to 48 megapixel with 5x optical zoom. That's a pretty hefty bump, and we've heard rumors about this before, so it's definitely looking likely. And finally, for the front camera, the selfie cam is also getting a nice boost from 12 megapixel to 24 megapixel. If you're into taking those mirror selfies or hopping on Zoom calls, this should be a nice upgrade. Overall, it seems like the iPhone 17 Pro cameras aren't going through any radical changes, but those few upgrades, especially the telephoto and front camera, could make a big difference in real-world use. Nothing too crazy, but definitely some solid improvements. Now, about those lenses. Digital Chat Station mentions GP glass plastic lenses, but it's unclear whether that's an upgrade or a downgrade. Guess we'll just have to wait and see when it's officially out. While DCS is usually spot on with Android leaks, their Apple leaks are hit or miss. Still, with Samsung sticking with similar sensors in its phones and just focusing on software improvements, it wouldn't be all that shocking if Apple takes a similar approach this year. So, what do you think? Are these camera upgrades on the iPhone 17 Pro enough for you, or were you hoping for something more groundbreaking? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.